Invest, Diva CEO, cryptocurrency investing for dummies. Kiana, you were expressing a great deal of faith when we were chatting last fall about where crypto was going, and you were prescient about things. But as we went back and forth, you reminded me it is volatile. It's not for the faint of heart. What do you see happening now?
It's literally history repeating itself. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies in general are just very, very volatile, and people who don't understand it, people who don't have faith in it, shouldn't be investing in it. But right now we're seeing a cycle happening again, and it's very interesting because the first edition of my book came in during the previous Bitcoin winter, and then from there we saw I'm not saying I have anything to do with it, but the second edition is coming out literally right now as we are potentially getting out. And the thing is, so I'm eyeing, there are a lot of things, a lot of factors in play, right? So one of them is Bitcoin is cyclic because of all of the hype, all of the FOMO. People get super crazy about it, and then it bubbles, bursts, goes down. Every time it's gone down, it has found a floor above the previous winter. So we're seeing the consistency over there. I was actually thinking that the next bull run will start in April 2024 after the halving, because that is another pattern that Bitcoin kind of follows. And right now I'm eyeing the $29,000, $30,000 level. And if we see a break above that, there is a good chance that we see this actually turning into a volatile bull run. Now, that being said, the past...
No, you mentioned April of 2024. You mentioned April 24. What is the magic of that time?
Oh, the magic of that time is that every few years, Bitcoin has something called a halving, and that historically, it basically scarces the amount of Bitcoins that are produced, and then for that reason, supply and demand, Bitcoin prices soar right after or right about the halving. And that has been happening over and over again as long as Bitcoin has been alive.
Got it. All right. We'll keep a close eye on it. Kiana, always good catching up. I wish we had more time, but, well, we don't. That's the bottom line. But always good chatting. Thank you, Kiana.